I haven't posted a video for a while because we've actually been stuck at home. We were meant to go to Lake Beauregard to visit my grandma and see the rest of my family and go water skiing, but a lot of my family has COVID now, so that got cancelled.
Yeah, and now we're isolating anyway because someone at my work was feeling sick, and then the next day I was feeling really fatigued, like so much I had to come home and have a nap. So I've gone and getting tested, so I've just have to wait for my results now, which could take up to a week.
Yeah, so now I'm feeling really tired, but I'm just going to wait and see what Rhi's results are first before I consider getting tested myself, because I don't actually have anywhere to be.
Yeah, and I've just been working from home, which has actually been really good because it saves me that travel time to and from work, so I've been able to spend a bit more time playing with Minyip and a little bit of guitar, which I haven't had time for a while, so that's really nice.
Yeah, it's really cute because Minyip actually dances when Rhi's playing the guitar, but she's a little bit scared of the guitar if it gets too close to her, so she'll fly away because she can fly now. Her flight feathers have grown in, and she's actually learning to control her flight, and she's landing really well. Bless you. But yeah, she doesn't fly much because she prefers to be carried everywhere like the queen she is.
Oh, Minyip, you dancing? Who's that?
It's you. Oh, yeah. So good news, Rhi tested negative to COVID, both with the rapid antigen test and the normal test. And to other news, I am currently hooked up to a heart rate monitor. So it's in a little pouch right here, and yeah, that's because I've been getting a lot of dizzy spells when I'm standing up. I feel lightheaded. Sometimes I feel like I'm getting heart palpitations, like a flutter feeling in my chest. And just in general, some shortness of breath. So we're going to see what shows up with this. I also got tested for celiac disease again, so we'll see what the results say to that. Whoa! Yeah! You gonna have a nice steam? Yeah. Nice and relaxed after your steam. Beep. Who's a good girl? Baby. Beep. Baby. Baby. Minyip, 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 Minyip. Whoa, you strutting? Oh yeah. So this is Minyip's breakfast. It's got pellets, grains, and mixed fruit and vegetables. There's a little bit of nuts in there too, and she'll just pick at that throughout the day, and then we'll get her pretty much the same thing for dinner. And basically she will sit here on her perch and eat her breakfast at the window under the UV lamp, so she's getting at least some of those essential UV rays. And the other birds outside keep her company. Who's that, Minyip? Is that your boyfriend? Yeah? You showing him how big you are? Yeah? Off he goes. So I got some of this to feed the carnivorous birds outside with something more nutritious than just mince. I know, isn't it exciting? Yeah, so we're just going to do a grocery shop drop-off for Rhi's boss, who has COVID, unfortunately. Yeah, we decided to take Minyip with us because we were away all day yesterday, and she'll just miss us too much if we do that again today. Wow, what you doing up there? Wow, good girl. I will be back with another health update once I get the results of my holter monitor test. I hope you enjoyed this more casual vlog style video. I will probably do more videos like this in the future, but I do have some other content planned as well. If you do enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. With all that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.